This home has 3 bedrooms and 3 full bathrooms and about 2,500 square feet. The darling kitchen is outfitted with Big Chill retro-inspired appliances. The dining area is large enough to seat 10 to 12 people very comfortably. This home sits on 1/3 of an acre and the backyard is fully fenced in. The 3 bedrooms are located on the 2nd floor, as well as 2 full-size bathrooms. One of the best things about this neighborhood is community amenities. It's walkability, of course. It has a great big community pool. It's Olympic size. It has tennis courts. It has pickleball courts, basketball courts, a huge play area for the kids, and large green spaces for them to run and kick the ball.